Rebel salute! Now one over shoulders tonight, and we'll tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from. Father, show us the way to go. Where we're from. Father, show us the way to go. Rebel salute! I'm gonna do it. Lebanon. One rebel salute. Don't get too frightened. I don't see Phoenix tonight. Yeah, that is it. So we're getting straight into the business. With a couple minutes where we have here. The folk again mash up Jamaica. But we still have burn the fire. All who love Jamaica miss the hero. They want to see some money in the sky now. Yo, let's hope away the voice. Pull up that to the front. Want to see some money in the sky. Want to know the Queen Africa fans them in the audience tonight. Hear me now, man. Them around with me long enough, you know. Oh, well. Yes. We love Jamaica. We born from the rock, yeah. And none of them can make me run away. Wow. Let's hope away the voices again. The people cry now we're plunging into darkness. We all have to play our part with our whole stuff. Every distraction, every artist. Media houses, we notice, tell us support the slackness of so much alcohol in our party. The girls are broke out and they support the shit drink now. I roll now, she don't hear. Rebel salute, times like these. Pull up that again, now when you sing them song, I'm in a best friend. Say Jah! Rastafari! Yeah, whoa, yeah. That's how we then official. That's how we get to know the society grow well. Ask them who put it on in a barrel. PM opposition who know done with it for real. Unite, come together, teach Jamaica how we chill. Times like these, I'm missing our heroes. Oh yes, times like these, I really wish they were around. Should it have to be like this? But Marley, we know you never die in vain. We are gonna rise again. It's times like these, I'm missing our heroes. Yes, times like these, I really wish they were around. We need you, we need you, we need you, sunshine. Yes, we need you, we need you, we need you, darling. Yeah, oh yeah. Times like these, yes. 1 o'clock now, call that song they done. Next track. Born free. Born free. Yeah. Born free. Born free. Yeah. Then you want to see Frontal, you know. You don't see it. No, you know if you watch it. Don't I'm no sound, don't see them here soon. Yeah. You need Jaguar. We quarrel and we fight. But we will make it up. You know, I'm going to put some people do. You hear that? Me and my love are just always a fight. But you know when we don't make me smile get right. Who like that? Come here, enjoy myself up on this. You know what she is me, I'll come up on this. Run that again. We quarrel and we fight. But we will make it up, Miss Kitty. Yes, we will make it up. Me and my love are just always a fight. But you know when we don't make me smile get right. What on the left and don't come back till late in the hours with a bunch of the nicest. And even though me vex till me blood a boil, one look below the waist and me humble like a child. Can't help it, me put like the feeling. Just imagine me with the most sweet dark in your rub it up. Now wake up, man. Him say, "Wow, down your down." Pull up this again. Let me sing it one more time. Yeah. We quarrel and we fight. say them a target one particular set of man in a Jamaica with one jacket argument. But low, I know say I don't like go low, but you see me, go low a little. So, I just want to say this. They say them a pass on some jacket argument. See? And them want some man to feel bad. But I just want to say to the woman them, stop with the man them jacket. That's what I say. Because you know quick to talk about man a cheat. And man, who man a cheat with? No, no. I only want to wear the jacket them. I bring one the jacket them. But give you no husband them. You know what I say? As a real strong man, the children they when me give my baby father, when I see them, they don't look like him. We know the jacket. You see what I say? Look. So some woman, when they meet them man, them make them man who them be. Make them know say they know nothing about them. They don't pretend and act nice you see the man with car. Make the man know who you really be. Then you want to sing something like this. Me love you. Me baby father, me love you. Me really just love you. Me I tell you say me love you. Me love you. Me baby father, me love you. Me really just love you. Me I tell you say me love. But me give you this something about 3 times. When you did that face up, you know what? Let go that. Let go that. Alright. We got to make it. When the straight man them in a rebel salute the power, we don't stop but fanatism boy, I know. Pull up. Hey, let me know, man. I dare myself, you know. My 25 just start. Don't get it twisted. We not let go no baptism in a Jamaica. We don't care who a rule. Let me salute if you're in and me want you are born and in a sky now. Yes. Don't pray again. Hear me now, man. You feel like a fat man with better you. Do a minute to Jamaica. We don't want that to come wrong. I'm serious about it too. Yeah. Think that you want. If I even 5 hours with him. If I am until it action. Yeah. Some nasty boy I get dash on. Got to make it better. Children are up to got to make it better. Rebel salute me and tell them this. You feel like a fat man. If it's real, do a bring it to Jamaica. We don't want that touch and run. We can't take no more practice. You can't change the laws of man, but you can't change the laws of God. So if them not then I because they blood. What if the change I must say man then? Somebody tell me what rebel salute. We do one of this in a day. Pull up the packet too. I'm not here everybody now give no forward. Oh, one new rebel salute this. And Tony I believe it talks to when I come off a stage, you know, I go on since me gone. Wow! We got to make it better. Alright then. Got to make it better. The children of abuse are not wrong. Hear that? Better. Yeah. You feel like a bad man. This is it. You are bring it to Jamaica. This is it. We don't want that touch and wrong. This is yourself. You can't take no more slack. You can't change the laws of man, but you can't change the laws of God. So if them not then because them glad. What if the change I must say man, they mother. And forever, that we say. Tile. Yes. When we there? Take it down low, low. But you know, so we have a squeezing and a good message and the thing. Me no like that new Jamaica, I don't know about now. That new Jamaica, me not gonna live with it. You see, love is amazing. I just want love. I just want to big up every couple in the house tonight. We know say them love them one another. Through the thick, through the thin, through the up, through the down. No reason for left, reason for stay. You see our country and the love in this country and the whole wide world, but they must switch around the code. So you have to be looking at the family to see what go on. And I want to say to the woman them, you need to strengthen the man them. And even if they not take the strength, you can walk left them. What we say you can do? Walk left them if they not take the strength, but give them the strength. Because it's a reason why the Almighty make man and woman. You can't have a society without man. And woman is a balance. We want more youth. If you are born in a Jamaica, to them real father them. Mouth water can't breathe the man. Rebel salute when we say, mouth water can't breathe the man. Something I know when some man are go with them mouth watering. See? And we not get no friend when we say them things there. When love comes knocking at your door, you must be very sure that you're ready, ready. When love comes knocking at your door, when love comes knocking at your door, you must be very sure that you're ready, ready. When love comes knocking at your door, you must be very sure that you're ready, ready. When love comes knocking at your door, you must be very sure that you're ready, ready. When love comes knocking, you must be very sure that you're ready, ready. When love, for some reason, hold on. Stage for nice, but this loud. The loud, you fuck. Hey, back off, little. Hey, Ryan. Take my mic stand now. Cause, you know why we stay so fresh throughout the years? Next month, we have 50 now. Thank you very much. Every day, every minute, we say that. Because I believe in a self-love. And if never left anything with the item tonight, you see, if you don't love yourself, you're left on your own. And nobody now gonna love you like how you can love you. And that's our secret to staying alive. And you know we will make sure we always do give thanks to the Almighty Creator of all things. We don't need no special reason to praise the Almighty. We do it just because it's the right thing to do. You see me, my lad? You know me love you forever, right? Yes, Jones. Oh God, lengthen my days, make perfect my way. Don't make me fall, and don't make me fall. Some shots. Oh God, lengthen my days, perfect my way. hands of the wicked. At the 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 hands of the wicked. This is where you clap. I don't know what I expect tonight, so just clap. Put it for me, babes. If you do the next two songs, I say good night. Because if you don't get me